Yo, Holy Esme's official lyrics with translation is live on YouTube. It's on my link tree in my bio. Yeah, so just easy to get to. Yo, if you're doing stupid low energy shit, you don't need advice. Go bam more again and raise your energy. You go bam more again. Even some shit you could eat previously, you can't eat them no more without repercussion. More again won't take no shit anymore. Makoro di. Nya echi kwanante ke enu ife more niku. Another angle where the self-policing nature of Igommo is superior to people advising you is regarding domestic violence. How can I be advising you not to beat an Abaranwa who has Ezumezu behind her? On to say my talk is cheap now. Now your body go tell you. My own now to expeditiously remove myself from member me after you spent money treating illness when you get diagnosis. Now on top that woman where you go break egg, me mecha easy. Ke malo? Ke de sure? No alosi. Ke nota. Nene anya asmunye. Omu Igbo. Nke anyị jika. You are no gommo. A conscious, sentient spirit. Why Igbo alosi? Ano feka amaro. Things in a beach. Live from Nnoko. Obi Ezako. Wakili. Tagazi. Holy Esme's can serve as your Igor for tutorial. It can serve as Igor for itself. It can serve you for shower meditation. And it can help you remember your dreams when you play them. When you play it all night while you sleep. Yagazi. Okobi.